Hi everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to scan a pizza and optimize it for your health goals using the nutrIAIve app. Step 1. Scan the barcode of your pizza. To start, open the nutrIAIve app and tap the Quick Add Food button. Then, select the meal time. Your meal will be automatically created, and you can now add the pizza. To do this, you can either search for it or tap the Scan button. Let's scan it. Hold your phone up to the barcode of your pizza, and the app will automatically scan the barcode and identify the pizza's nutritional content. If the scanned information is incomplete, the app will notify you. To estimate the missing nutrient values, tap the Add Micronutrients with our AI tool button. Let's do this. First, tap on the incomplete pizza. Verify if the information is correct. Then, tap the play button on the bottom right corner. Next, tap the AI-powered search button. Our AI will suggest a list of similar foods with complete nutritional information. Select the best match, and the AI will add the missing information. Great job! You now have a complete nutritional profile for your delicious pizza. Let's now check the portion size of the pizza. Our 400-gram pizza has 770 calories. We'll eat half, so we have 385 calories left to optimize. Note that we always add calories to optimize a meal, so we need enough calories left to do so. Now, it's time to optimize your meal. Next, go to the Meal Details screen and tap on AI-Powered Meal Optimization. Here, you can set your target calories for the optimized meal. Let's keep it to 700 calories. You can also set macronutrient ranges, but we'll keep the default range, as it is the recommended range based on health guidelines. You can also select complementary foods to balance your pizza meal and choose which nutrients you want to optimize. First, let's choose which foods to add to our pizza meal to make it nutritionally balanced. The AI will then use these foods to complement our pizza and optimize the meal for us. We can use the default list or create our own personalized optimization food list. Let's create a new list and name it Pizza. Then, let's add some vegetables such as broccoli, carrots, tomatoes, and cucumbers. For the dip, let's add curds with at most 10% fat. As a side dish, let's add whole wheat bread. We'll also add some healthy fats, such as olive oil or flaxseed oil. Some nuts may also be useful to add. Let's also see if the AI suggests some extra meat and add some to our list. Finally, let's update the list and select the nutrients to optimize. For a perfectly balanced meal, check all the nutrients. Then, tap the Optimize button to start the process. Let the AI do its magic and enjoy your nutritious, well-balanced, and tasty meal. Your pizza meal is now optimized with healthy foods, making it a great choice for your well-being. Download nutrIAIve now and start eating healthier.